Welcome to the CoastalCraftFilAm channel. So today I'm going to be showing you a different kind of video. It's a comparison. I'm going to tell you why I'm saying goodbye to this Rode microphones, and I'm going to tell you shortly why. And I've traded it for my normal mic on my phone because I made a comparison and I had my husband listen to it, and he actually thought that this microphone didn't sound good, and I'll let you be the judge on that one. I'll go ahead and proceed with a test of the mics, and maybe you can comment down below on which microphone sounds better, my regular mic or the Rode microphone. Welcome to the CoastalCraftFilAm channel. Welcome to the CoastalCraftFilAm channel. So after that test, which microphone did you think was better, the first one or the second one? So there you go. So that first clip with the welcome to the CoastalCraftFilAm channel is unfortunately the sound of this mic. I really thought it was like a muffled, but I recorded a video previously, probably the previous video from this one. I used the microphone and I just convinced myself that it sounded good, but I asked my husband and he said it sounded kind of muffled, like you're like whispering on like something in a cardboard box, and that's what I thought too. So I guess I'm not going to be using this anymore. What I'm using though is just the regular mic from my Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. That's what I'm using right now. As you can, this is my normal voice with a Samsung Galaxy Ultra, and I think it sounds better than this microphone. So I just wanted to show you why I wasn't very impressed with this microphone. I might use it in the future again, but for now, we're going to be saying goodbye to it. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.